All right. Quad C, Brandon Gillette on the 57. Daniel Hollingsworth from Des Moines on the 4.
Now, twice these guys have gotten the... Okay. Twice in the little contact. Side by side, Gillette able to just get inside of Hollingsworth for the advantage off the start.
Everybody, here we go. Brandon Gillette, your leader. Gillette out front on the 5-7. Hollingsworth back there in the 2 spot.
Watch for the same problem the go-karts have, trying to keep that left side tire down as best they can. You'll see the riders, they'll slide as far off, they'll just barely have their leg hanging up over the seat to try to get as much weight on the left side of that four-wheeler. Keep it low, trying to keep the tires on the ground. Not nearly as much trouble as Hollingsworth is. Hollingsworth really working that right front with the left rear in the air. Inside of 5 to go.
Lap winding down. Gillette, your leader.
Two to go this time as Wayne rocks the white and the checkered flag side to side. Now he'll wave that white flag one more time around. This one's going to belong to Brandon Gillette.